play pi baro sinpan kan sobai pi hagar ka channel unang KHUBOR te lada di sim kong pi ni ka channel ba di pi ba pin subscribe mat press notification bell kana pin miss video ang plat ma tenga yo ni advertisement ka bri jong ka post Laitkam ma jong ka JRF MTS pi na advertisement for post of JRF and MTS dengan supli kini ka ndiat po kong na. The applications are invited for engagement of junior research fellow JRF and multitasking staff MTS under the Department of Health Research DHR, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India funded research project entitled te kumbang play ni ka advertisement tan te Laitkam mo jung ki atli ki post kata de junior research fellow JRF unika multitasking staff ma the advancing lumbar spine disorder diagnosis with deep learning based medical image analysis. The duration of the project will be for a period of 3 years. The payment ani last date of application gade atau jong premier ajar penerima. The date of interview tentative project jong premier ajar penerima kapor pan dari BJM. The venue part Department of Biomedical Engineering School of Technology NEHU Shillong Meghalaya dan itu mah. The mentang ini page badi ki name the post tagi pay mah salary dengan name the post number 1 kata JRF boleh atau jong mana. The remuneration part ada lep penyojar per month plus HRA ma as per funding agency norms. The number of posts kadi tengah way tika duration pan amon lem tu the duration project staff will be engaged initially for a period of 1 year and extendable only till the duration of the project ma. The essential qualification dari ME MTech in BME ma IT kita qualification tu seperti itu te kadi kuipan kadi tasking staff ma MTS teka remuneration kadi pelajar per month tu dan nama post kadi kawai teka duration kadi project staff will be engaged initially for a period of 1 year ma kata teka essential qualification pa kadi graduate diploma in any stream ma. Dengan perlu ni the staff engaged in the project will not have any claim whatsoever for contribution of service in DHR, ICMR after completion, termination of the project. The project of JRF working on the project will be assessed every year by a committee ma. Dengan ni how to apply pat ma. How to apply. The interested candidate should email their CV or biodata, photocopies of certificate, mark sheets and evidence of any other academic credential to ketika email ni mah. They should also fill the required Google form for the respective post. Te badai bitu ki interested candidates mah. Pindah jumut ban apply gini you ketika post trong mana itu JRF atau MTS. Te pihak send ki CV mah jadi pakai biodata hani email ni mah sabuk apa you description. Te pihak pendapat ni ka Google form. Ini they should also fill the required Google form for respective post. Ketika post joni ka way junior research fellow ma JRF ketika Google form ni ketika multitask staff pan ketika Google form dengan support po description ka you ini ki Google form ko link. The general terms and conditions, no TA will be paid for attending interview. Candidate have to produce the journal certificate mark sheets of the educational qualifications and other claims at the time interview ma. Taking this part kya penbiang ki kislah jong pi ki original certificate ki mark sheet baga educational qualification jong pi ma nakapor interview ma. The decision of the selection committee will be final. The appointment of the candidate will be governed by the terms and conditions of the institute and funding agency. The positions are entirely temporary and co-terminus with the project. Jadi kalau shibun ni pi bro ibu punya video, kalau pada pi apa share, like, subscribe. Kalau shibun ni pi bro.